Hi everyone, here are the answers to your starter questions for today. So the first one here is a quadratics question. So we're being asked for the coordinate of point C. So the first thing we would do is write out the equation of this quadratic, and we can use the turning point to do that. So we have -3, -4 as the turning point. So in the equation we would have x plus 3 squared and then -4 at the end. Remember that we change the sign of the x coordinate, but we don't change the sign of the y. So the -3 becomes +3 in the bracket, and the -4 stays as a -4 at the end. So the point C, what do we know about this point? We know the x coordinate is 0 at this point because it's on the y-axis. So if we swap 0 for x, we'll get 0 plus 3 squared minus 4. So y equals 3 squared minus 4. So that will be 9 minus 4, which is 5. So that point C is 0, 5. Question 92 is a straight line equation. So find the equation of the straight line between -7, 4 and 3, -5. So first thing we need to do is our gradient calculation. So we're doing y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We would label these x1, y1, x2 and y2. So we're going to be doing 5 minus 4 over -3 minus -7. So 5 minus 4 is 1, -3 minus -7 becomes +7. So -3 plus 7 is 4. So it's 1/4 for the gradient. We're then going to do our straight line equation. So y minus b equals m brackets x minus a. And we'll just pick one of these coordinates to use as a and b. So let's go for -7 and 4. So a and b. So in the equation we're going to have y minus 4 equals 1/4 x minus -7. So what I would probably do first is I would probably multiply out that fraction. So if we times the whole thing by 4, we'll get rid of that fraction. So that's going to give us 4y minus 16 equals x plus 7. And then I would take that minus 16 across and add 16 to both sides. So 4y equals x plus 23. The answer sheet for this today has the x on the left, so it says 4y minus x equals 23. Any form of that equation is fine to leave it as. I don't mind, either way is fine. The last question is an indices question. So we've got y to the power of 8 times y cubed to the power of -2. So we would do that bracket first of all. So the first thing there would be to multiply those powers. So a power to a power we multiply. So 3 times -2 becomes -6. And then when you're multiplying terms together, you're adding up the powers. So 8 plus -6 is just 8 minus 6, which leaves us with y to the power of 2.